In this video, we listed the 5 best camping chair on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. OneTigris Camping Chairs. The OneTigris camping chair is an essential piece of outdoor gear known for its easy assembly, quick disassembly, and lightweight design. Unlike many camping chairs that succumb to bent frames over time, this chair boasts a double-barred structure made of robust No. 7075 aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and longevity. With a licensed 600D polyester fabric option and a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, 150 kilograms, outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate its simplicity, affordability, and comfort. Features like 2 side pockets for storage, 2 utility hoops for attachments, and a patch panel for customization make it a versatile and practical choice for various activities like camping, trekking, fishing, barbecue parties, and more. Weighing only 1.4 kilograms and easily foldable, this portable camping chair offers both convenience and reliability for those who enjoy the great outdoors. Number 2. BLACKDEER Modern Chair. The Nature Beach Folding Chair by BLACKDEER, available in an army green or khaki color, is a versatile and durable outdoor seating option designed for comfort and convenience. With an item number of BD12022207, this chair unfolds to a size of 49*44*68 h cm or 52*49*90 h cm and folds down to a compact 84 by 10 by 17 cm or 110 by 9 by 19 cm for easy transport and storage. Weighing either 3.17 kilograms or 3.69 kilograms, this chair features a sturdy beach bracket, a seat made of 16-ounce canvas, and iron connectors, offering a static bearing capacity of 120 kilograms. Whether used for camping, outdoor activities, or relaxation, this chair is a modern and functional choice suitable for various purposes. Originating from mainland China, this BLACKDEER chair is a lightweight and foldable option perfect for camping, fishing, beach trips, gardening, or simply unwinding outdoors. Number 3. Naturehike Picnic Chair. The Naturehike Fishing Chair YL06 is a lightweight and portable picnic chair specifically designed for outdoor activities like fishing and camping. Made of 7075 aviation aluminum alloy frame and 600D polyester fabric, this durable chair can withstand weights of up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. It features a retractable backrest for added comfort and convenience. The chair is foldable for easy storage and transportation, with an unfolded size of 102 by 48 by 41 centimeters, 40.2 by 18.9 by 16.1 inch, and a net weight of about 1.3 kilograms, 2.87 pounds. It comes in colors black and gray, and includes a carry bag for portability. Overall, the Naturehike Fishing Chair YL06 is a modern, simple, and stable seating option suitable for various outdoor and indoor settings. Number 4. TARKA Outdoor Folding Chair. This outdoor portable camping chair is a versatile and lightweight seating option suitable for various outdoor activities like camping, picnics, BBQs, fishing, and beach trips. Made with durable Oxford cloth and aluminum pipe, this folding chair is easy to set up and pack away, making it highly portable. Weighing approximately 900 g, it is convenient to carry around. The chair features a foldable design for easy storage, is ultralight, and simple to clean. Keep in mind that product dimensions may vary slightly, and colors may differ from what is shown due to monitor variations. For any queries or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to the seller. The package includes one camping folding chair from TARKA, a reliable brand offering quality outdoor products. Number 5. Naturehike YL05 Folding Chair. The Naturehike YL05 Moon Chair, Model NO. NH18Y050Z is a lightweight and portable camping chair designed for outdoor adventures. With a net weight of about 1.1 kilograms and a maximum bearing weight of 150 kilograms, this chair offers both durability and convenience for campers. Made of 600D cation fabric and featuring an aluminum alloy bracket, the chair is both sturdy and comfortable. Its compact size of 68 by 56 by 30 cm and packing size of 37 by 12 by 8 cm make it easy to transport and store. Available in black or gray, this versatile chair is a practical addition to any camping gear collection.